Welcome back. So in this part we are going to cover the rating bars in Android. This widget comes very handy when we are trying to get the feedback from user from the certain range of numeric values. Okay, so let's get started. Start a new Android Studio project and name it as rating bars and hit next. Next, choose empty activity, hit next, and finally hit finish. And here is our application. So let me drag this text view in here, and I want to increase this text size by 30 sp, and let me change this text as rate us in numbers. Okay, and let me drag the rating bars now. So I'm going to drag the rating bars. Okay, and now I need to go to the main activity.java, and I need to actually create the object of rating bar here. So it is going to be rating bar, and its name is going to be rating bar, and I need to link this rating bar with our XML. So find view by id r.id.rating bar, and I obviously need to typecast this. Now whenever the rating bar is clicked, we want to have some listener so that we can perform the operation. So our listener is going to be set on rating bar change listener, and we are going to pass the object of our main activity, and we need to implement the on rating bar change listener interface, and we need to override its abstract method here, right? Now let's just print the feedback from the user inside the text view. For this we need to assign the text ID because we haven't assigned the text ID. So let it going to be text txt underscore id, and then we need to create the object of text view here as well. So it is going to be text view, and we need to link it with the XML as well. So it is going to be text view, find view by id r.id.text id, and we need to typecast it. So alt plus enter, and now let's just print the feedback inside this text view. So it is going to be set text and rating as like this, and now let's just hit run and choose your emulator and hit OK. And here is our application. So let me rate this as this, and you can see our rating is 1. So let me go to click this one, and it says rating is 5.0, and let me just click here. So it should say this 2.5. so we can also rate it as floating point like this, and when I click on this it says 4, and when I click on here it says 3.5. Now what if we want to rate this app in terms of integer only? So for that we need to go to the activity underscore main XML, and then specify the step size as 1, and let us run it. And here is our application. So when I click on this any of button, it only going to show the integer value. So this is going to be work like this. Now what if I want to have the values like 0.7? So for that we just need to specify here 10, and let us run it once again. And when I click like this, it is going to show us into those values as well. So we can specify as 0.6, 0.75, and many more. The step size is just like the specifying the accuracy, right? So let's just change the background color. So it is like this. So we can specify the background color as progress tint, and let's just assign some random value here. So it is going to be ff12, doesn't matter for this. So let us hit run, and here is our application. So when I click on this, it is going to show the different color as that of previous one. So, and I hope you got the concept of how we can use the rating bars in Android. So, and I will see you in the next part.